Action, start. You got dead air.
I got dead air.
I'm already bored.
Hi, I'm Anna Vicino.
Back to one.
Off camera is Lauren Tarquinio, love of my life.
Yeah, why did you wear flouncy sleeves?
And you're probably wondering why I'm cooking this in the pan.
Say, why are you cooking that in the pan?
I don't need you to ham-splain me.
Oh.
Don't ham-splain me, bro.
And
pork shaming and ham-splaining. That's what we do over here.
Rizzoli and Isles.
The hammer. Got the tongs. I got the hammer.
Now flip and pound.
Oh, see?
All right, never mind.
I'm obviously
Don't
not
do that.
left-handed. Red pepper flakes. If I wasn't talking so much, it would get done a lot quicker.
We're like hour 3 here.
We're not an hour 3.
No, we're not. How could you
Bacon
forget?
bits!
Eye the prize.
If we just had a third kind of pork in here, it would be a trifecta. Okay.
Like a hot dog?
Now
Hot
you're
dogs.
speaking
You
my
should
love
slice-
language. I guess we're done. What do you say to wrap these things up? What are you supposed to
Say goodnight. We salute you.
We salute you.
Good ending.